How you can watch movies on Plex. So start by opening up your Plex application and you need to make sure to have an account or click on sign up free and you can continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Once you have logged into your account, click on the accept button and you need to make sure to click on my watch history on the top and you can either go with private or you can go with public. Now click on accept and as you can see we have all kind of shows and movies that we can watch, and let's say I want to go with this one, so I will simply click on it and as you can see I have now the option to play this movie. You can also share it with your friends, you can also save it or bookmark it as into your watch list, and you can also click on this mark as watched. You can click on the three dots and you can also go with the shuffle at the same time. Now if you want to search for a specific movie, click on search icon on the top right and you can simply search for any movie that you want to go with, and as you can see the search results will going to give you all the movies that you have searched for. So that's the way of how you can watch movies on Plex.